Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Silvercrest travel steam iron for steam and dry ironing with horizontal and vertical steam and a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. With a cable length 1.8 meters, branded. We have a stainless steel sole plate for a smooth glide. Handle folds for space-saving storage. Very convenient for travelers. To unfold, press, and that was all. Pull and it locks. Press, unlock. You can use it on 110 to 120 volts because it is a travel steam iron, or 220 to 240 volt. For me it is 220. You can use it as a vertical steam for freshening up and removing greases from hanging textiles and curtains. Very convenient. 900 to 1100 watts the power consumption. We have the temperature control here to adjust. Maximum and minimum. You can adjust it with one hand. Here we have the steam burst button, the refill opening, there it is, with a maximum 40 ml. We have this tiny measuring cup. Perfect. Seal it very well. Nice. The steam control here. Minimum and maximum. I like it. It is cute, small, portable. It can fit anywhere. Here we have the control light at this area. The container, it is here. We can see in the water. It is perfect for holidays and business trips. So let's give it a try, see how it works. It's a compact, lightweight iron designed for portability and quick touch-ups. This is the ultimate road warrior's iron, combining airline compliance with sufficient power for business attire. While not replacing full-sized irons for home use, it delivers 85% of the performance at 40% the size. If you need wrinkle-free clothes on the go, this compact iron may just be your perfect travel companion. Perfect for cruise ships passengers, business travelers needing crisp shirts, vacationers packing dress clothes, students in dorms with limited space. Pro tip: use distilled water to prevent mineral build-up in the tank. And that's a wrap on the Silvercrest Travel Steam Iron. Compact, lightweight and perfect for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free on the go, whether you are traveling for business or just need a space-saving solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel gear reviews and home essentials. Thanks for watching, stay smooth and I'll see you in the next one.